Hey guys, this is 86 Vicky LX. A lot of people on GMN have been asking for videos of my new exhaust system. Well, here's what we have. We have FRPP shorty headers for GT40-P heads with Mark VII Catted H-Pipe, S10 Mids, Magnaflow Mufflers, Impala SS Tailpipes, and extensions. Let's open up the hood, show you a picture of the headers. Creaky, creaky, but what Ford doesn't do that. There's my headers. This is the problem side on the P heads. Conventional headers don't really work because you see where number 5 is and 6. Well, how the angle of the spark plugs are on the GT40-P heads, you can't really access the spark plug with a spark plug wrench. So it's kind of a bitch to change them. And on top of that, you have to use 90-degree plug boots on some headers, so you can even get the spark plug wire on there without contacting the header and melting them. Alright. Start up. Yes, I still have the chime. Deal with it. It's not very obnoxiously loud, which is kind of what I was after. The Flowmasters that I had on here temporarily were just too fucking loud, and the cop that yelled at me agreed. I love the smell of exhaust. Here's my sway bar and my aluminum diff cover. I just put 355 limited slip in here. Speedometer's kind of off. I got the wrong speedometer gear. I did some calculations, and somebody else did some calculations and found out that the correct speedometer gear that I need is the 21-tooth purple gear. Explorer 5-liter. That was put in here last August. Filled up at the ATC Warminster campus in PA. Now we'll do a couple revs for you. See, it's not substantially loud. I can hear myself talk over it, and the engine's more pronounced than the exhaust still. It's still got the weird idling bullshit that I haven't figured out. I'm just gonna when I have the money, I'm gonna tune it. For those of you who have been asking about the one touch up down on the motor, yeah, put those together with Taurus modules, early Taurus, mid 90s. You can tell which ones have them because they say auto on the switch. You can find them on some Panthers starting in '93, I believe. But you can't go too new because the later ones are integrated into a body control module, and that wouldn't be much fun to wire now, would it? Alright. Here we have my 140 speedometer cluster. I cut the holes out for the low fuel, and you can't really see it very well right now, but I'll put it in reverse so I can turn the key to run. ABS. Yeah. I have an auto dim mirror with a compass, but the adhesive fell off and the mirror fell again. I'm just gonna have a windshield shop do it, because apparently their adhesive is a better grade than what you can get at a local parts store. Yeah, but this is Vicky. 1986 LTD Crown Victoria LX. It needs a lot of work still. Mostly body work now. Let's see if you can see that quarter panel. Yeah, it's completely rotted through. That's one of the worst spots on the car. The other spot we got here is the B-pillar, right about where the back door is bolted to on the hinge. Yeah, you see that hole? This hole here? Yeah. Don't know exactly what I'm going to do about that, but yeah. The fuse box install. This is from a Aero Crown Vic. You can find them on the whales too. And I do plan on doing an anti-lock brake system on this. Here's the connector for it. I already ran the wiring. All I need to do is get the hydraulic control unit mounted on the frame, do a little modifications on the brake pedal assembly so it will take the pedal height switch, run the new brake lines and ABS wheel sensors, and big brakes, since these don't have provisions for ABS speed sensors or tone rings. Big brakes, 16-inch wheels, and I will have a working ABS system, because this car is scary to drive in wet weather. I haven't taken it out on wet roads since the new rear was put in, but I figure it would probably be about the same, maybe a little bit better, but we'll see. Alright guys, talk to you later. Take care.